Welcome to this video on cardboard circuits. Today we're going to build homemade magnetic cables, which are super easy to snap on to circuits, much easier than car clips, and you can rip them out no problem. All right, so to build this we need an old cable, some small magnets, and then glue. So let's get to it. I have here a box of small magnets, and I'm going to take from the kitchen a cooking pan, metal, which will hold with the magnets, and a baking sheets. All right, so let's put one magnet on the bottom. And now we're going to grab a piece of cable, and if we have to, we're going to strip it. Let's go ahead and strip this cable. And I'm just going to place the cable on top of the magnet. All right, and then I'm going to sandwich it with another magnet. And this is probably the trickiest part. You want to make sure you get the cable in the middle. Okay, when you have that, you're going to grab a piece of cardboard, some scissors, cut a little square of cardboard I'm going to put around this, and that's so that when we pour the glue, it doesn't just melt away. So I'm going to kind of form a little shape of cardboard here. Just going to use glue to keep that in place. All right. And also I'm going to cut a part of it so that the cable can sneak through without moving. I'm going to place it on top. I'm going to cut a piece here. Right, now I'm going to put this on top of my magnet, and I'm just going to dump a whole bunch of glue. All right. Done. We can put a bit of weight on it so it doesn't move. Something flat. Something flat. There's nothing flat. Here's, well, I guess I'm just going to hold it. And we let it like that. We can start working on the other side, paying attention not to pull the cable. So we really want to wait till the glue is completely cold. So again, magnets, sandwich, missed it. All right, nice and tight. I'm going to cut our little construction here. Can be really of any shape, form, as long as it's big enough to enclose the cardboard. And we can recut it later. Fingers. All right. Put it on top and glue. Now it's just a waiting game. Make sure the glue, give ample time for the glue to cool down so that it has a good grip on the cable and on the magnet. You can see this one is ready and it's pretty strong. I'm gonna secure a bit more the cable by adding a bit of glue on it to make sure it doesn't run away. And if I want to do it even better, I can cut a bit more cardboard and glue that around. Which will make more solid. So We want this thing to be indestructible. This one is opening up. I'm going to hold it in place. All right. So this one is looking pretty good. Once it's completely dry, I can cut out if I want to, not having so bulky. But again, it's easier to grab if it's a bit bulky. That's up to your taste. We got a second one, and again, I'm gonna sandwich the cable around a bit of cardboard to make sure we don't pull on the connection. I'm gonna sandwich the cable here to ensure that we don't try to pull here on the cable, and then we keep a nice connection on the magnet. So I got my two connections here. It's time for testing. Let's get this out. So we have our circuit. Now we don't need this one. See how easy it is to connect the circuits. Not too bad. Testing. All works. And it still works if we try it again. Beautiful.